Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X97 Pro and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which we right now cannot customize. We cannot tap on them. It is because we are using the time and the time zone which are network provided. So first of all we have to tap on this option and tap on off, and right now as you can see they are active. The same situation with the time zone, just like I said. So firstly we have to tap on this switcher to activate the time zone selection option. So let's start with a date. As you can see, after tapping on it we can change it just by swiping. Tap on OK. Let's tap on the time, and the same situation, just by swiping, confirm it, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the status bar. Let's tap on the time zone also, tap on the region, and here we will be transferred to the full list of available regions. Of course you can type it if you want to. So just find it and tap on it, just like that. As you can see it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can decide if you want to use location to set the time zone. Of course you can turn it on or off, and here you've got the format, the clock format. Right now we are using 24-hour format. We can use 12-hour one just by turning off this option, or we can use local default if you want to. So basically this is it. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings. Just tap on those switchers here and pick the time to use network provided time or GPS provided time. It's up to you. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the date and time in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.